Suzuki Ertiga 1.4 headlight assembly. So ito yung pang 2014 to 2018 model. Suzuki genuine parts bound to Iloilo via AP Cargo. So ito yung part number ng RH. So natakpan na to, nabalot na kasi nung una at hindi ko na video kaya pinabuksan ko lang. At ito ang LH or driver side. So for checking tayo. So before shipping, chine-check muna natin kung may damage. Goods. Goods boss. Okay, dito tayo sa kabila. Ito naman yung LH or driver side. Double check mo ba sa goods. Okay. So goods lahat. Found ito sa Iloilo via AP Cargo. Thank you.